Hello everybody, Gabriel here. I wanted to take a minute and show you how to engage in the community by adding some of your own resources or starting a topic because somebody had a question about that in one of the recent classes. And so I just wanted to share my screen and show you how I'm about to do that. So you should be sharing my screen now, and all I've done is just logged into the community. Okay, so as soon as you log in, you're going to see this home, which is our basic community URL and my personal feed. As soon as I want to start sharing something, I can literally just click into this feature here, and I can add a picture, a video, a link, an attachment, or a poll, and post it right in the community. If I want to add it to a topic, I can go right up here and I can add this to a topic, and it's going to pick from all the topics that I am allowed to add something to. Not all topics can be added to by you all, because some of those topics are class recordings and things that we want to leave for people to find those. But some of the topics that you can create yourself, and you can post it right in. If you want to go and check out the topics, you can go right over here to topics. You should be able to see a little plus sign right in the corner of the screen right here. I'm going to go ahead and add a topic right now for recipes. And then if I go down, you should see healthy recipes right here at the bottom. And you should be able to post that same exact way right into this topic. If you don't want to post in the overall community or in the overall community topics, which I actually advise that you do because that's where everyone in the community can engage with them. But sometimes you may want to post in your private pod. So there are a variety of pods as well. You can click right into your studio member pod by going to pod, studio members, and you can post in that pod the exact same way. If you're going back to network, you go to pods, you find that studio pod, or you scroll down and find some of the other pods that we have. Just like the topics, you should be able to see a plus sign right here for adding a pod, which you might do if you wanted to start a new pod for private people, like we will be doing soon, for dancers, for Tai Chi players, and things of that kind. So I hope that helps you. And I hope that helps you find a lot of the tools on our member community a little bit easier. Keep letting me know if you have other questions so I can make videos like this, because I want to make it as smooth and easy to use as possible, because the best system is one that you're going to actually do. Okay, stay healthy, stay connected. Thanks a lot. Peace.